Hello everyone, welcome to MudgarClub. I'm Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and this is our 6th video of Shena Pushup Board series. In the last video, we learned the Shena Sharnavaji circles, in which we do the 4-count push-up with the circle stretch of our shoulder or our hands. In this video, we will do the Shena Sharnavaji Middle Stretch. It means the same 4-count Shena push-up, but with the middle stretch, the different kind of stretch we will do this time, which will be mainly for the legs and our upper body and the lower back. So in this Shena Sharnavaji Middle Stretch, we start with the same as we do in the last. We divide this in 2 parts as we did in the last 2 videos as well. The first 2 count we do the push-up, and the next last 2 count we do the stretch. So let's start. We open up our legs, widen our legs, take a distance between the Shena and between our legs so that we can directly go down and come up without touching to the ground. So from here we go down, put our hands on the Shena and go down for the 1, chin forward, we look to the forward, we come up and do the 2 count, go to downward dog pose. From here, as we complete our 2 count, 1, 2, from here we come up and we tuck our chin inside into our chest, and we take our hands, our both hands bit back of our legs and as much as we can, and stretch, keep our knee straight and stretch our lower back and the hamstring stretch we are getting. So it's 3, we come a little bit up again and then we go again, 4, then come up and we go down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are dividing this Shena Sharnavaji 4 counts or the middle stretch in 2 parts. The first part is the Shena push-up part. The second part is the stretch part, in which we are doing mainly the hamstring and the lower back stretch. 1, 2. So as we complete our push-up, it means after the 2 count, we stand up, we tuck our chin into our chest, we take our hands back of our legs, from between our legs, and as much as we can go, we try to go back so that we get the complete stretch in our lower back and our hamstring. And from here we come half up and then we go again. So in this way we do the Shena Sharnavaji Middle Stretch, or the 4-count push-up with the middle stretch. So let me show you that how it will look like in a flow if we do it. We widen our legs, go down on the push-up, Shena. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you from the side angle as well that how it will look like in the real flow. The distance between the Shena and between your legs is actually very important, because whatever movement we have done till now, we were not standing back in those movements, but in this movement we are standing back again and again after every single 2 count, and we go down back again. So we have to widen our legs, go down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we do the Shena Sharnavaji Middle Stretch on the Shena or Takhte Shena. So now we will do the practice of this in the real time. 10 counts we will do from the different angle. Let's start from the front angle first. Widen your legs first. Keep a distance between the Shena and your legs in a way so that you can come back and go down without touching to the ground. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will do this from the side angle, Shena Sharnavaji Middle Stretch. Widen your legs first. The distance between Shena and your legs is really important. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was Shena Sharnavaji 4 counts, the middle stretch we did. In this movement, you have to stand back after every single 2 counts, which is absolutely not easy. So I will recommend that whatever movement we have learned in the past, in the last videos, you practice those movements in a good way for few weeks or few months, and then try to do this movement. And especially in this movement, it is important that your Shena Pushup Board or Takhte Shena has a good grip at the bottom so that it does not slip. Because when you will come back and go down again and again, if it slips, then you may get an injury. So this was our Shena Sharnavaji Middle Stretch. In the next video, we will learn a new movement. And if you want to learn the Shena Pushup Board tradition in the live classes, then you can join our level 1 certificate course. Or if you want to buy a good Shena Pushup Board, then you can buy from the MudgarClub.com. Thank you. See you in the next video.